Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can we convert a PDF file into a Google Docs document. Now, the purpose of this is once we convert a PDF file into a Google Docs document, then we're able to edit it, we are able to collaborate with others all over the globe easily on that particular document. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to take a simple PDF file. This is my PDF file that has only text in it for now. But you can do this with any kind of PDF file that has graphics, that has images in it. So the process will be same. So the first step we are going to do is we are going to go to our Drive account, Google Drive account, and here we are going to upload our PDF file. So here I'm in a folder called PDF files, but you can just directly upload it in the Drive as well. Just click on New, File Upload, and select the PDF file. Click on Open. So it is going to take a few seconds, and then it will upload on the Drive. So let's just wait for the time till it gets uploaded. Here it is uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this file, right click, there is an option of open with, and here we have Google Docs. So let's just click on that. This will open up the PDF file in a Google Docs. Now it will take a few seconds because the file that we have uploaded is of PDF type, so it will take a few seconds to convert it into a Google Docs format. And here you can see without the loss of the information, all the content of the file is being converted into a Google Docs format. Now we can collaborate over this document with anyone we want. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.